Dear sir, this is our QQ plastic zipper broken tea cleaning machine. This is for the standard configuration. You can see the machine frame is made by aluminum frame, and this one also made by the thicker plastic zipper guiding wheel. You can see this one. This is the zipper before cleaning. You can see there are some broken tea or half tea left on the zipper. Okay, it's before cleaning. Later I will show you the result after cleaning. Okay, and this one for the standard configuration. The cylinder is also for air tap blend. 气缸在哪里？我怎么没看？ This one. This is also airtight cylinder. This is also. This one also. And here also there's another one for airtight cylinder. And this is the circuit board of the machine. Here for connecting the waste. And this is the switch made with the DLC brand. This is the switch for standard configuration. Okay, let me start collecting the machine for you. This one is for collecting the broken tea. 去除掉下去的。
对对对。
Okay, because this one we have put one protecting cutter to protect the worker. Let us start the machine for you. Okay. Come out from here this side, and this is our QQ machine frame. Each set of machine of our order will make one CE made here for your future repair. The machine situation. The block is cleaning up part. Let me check the result for you. You can see this the middle gaping gap is very clean. As our machine already removed the broken tea very well. Okay, you can see all are very clean. Okay, thank you. This is our QQ plastic zipper broken tea cleaning machine. Thank you for your watching.